Stay. Sit back down. Hey, Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. And stay. Okay? Stay. 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 You guys look great. Lila, get the ball, baby. Lila.
Brody. Round. Come on. Brownie.
Good girl, Lila. Hey! Weekend.
Come on.
Did you try to mount her?
I don't know.
There's only two. Nah, it happens. I'm not one of those sensitive dog people. It happens. Like, it's the dog beach. She usually gets mad if two things happen. They touch her frisbee or they try to mount her.
Male?
Huh? No, she's female. She usually gets mad if they touch her frisbee or they try to mount her. That's.
She doesn't usually good with females. The males, you know, I'm a tough guy.
Oh, that happens. I get this ball though? Ugh.